Hello friends, welcome back to Automobile Zone. Today we talk about 2023 Toyota Sequoia. The 2023 Toyota Sequoia is a large SUV based on the Toyota Tundra pickup, which itself was redesigned for the 2022 model year. Like that truck, the Sequoia SUV boasts large towing and payload capacities, Toyota's newest infotainment system, and a rich roster of standard active safety and driver assistance features. On top of that, Toyota has given the Sequoia a hybrid powertrain that should help it return better fuel economy than its competitors. The 2023 Toyota Sequoia is a great reminder that life is full of trade-offs, and it's up to you to figure out whether the juice is worth the squeeze. The Sequoia was almost 10 years old when it was finally overhauled, and the quantum leap in styling certainly makes that known. Just like its Tundra sibling, the 2023 Sequoia carries some beefy new aesthetics that I really like. Interesting angles and curves abound, like the strong indentations at the fenders, or the cool shape of the headlights. It has a real presence, and not just because it completely fills every single parking spot it occupies. The Sequoia's large interior continues in this new generation, with a third row of seats as standard equipment. A second row bench setup with 8 passenger capacity is standard, with optional second row captain's chairs reducing the number of seats to 7. Headroom is limited in both of the rear rows, particularly when equipped with the optional panoramic sunroof. With a wide range of trim levels available, the interior trimmings run the gamut from cloth to leather upholstery and varying levels of wood and chrome trim as you walk up the price ladder. Higher trim levels offer features including heated and cooled second-row seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium stereo system. The Sequoia's cargo area isn't as accommodating as other rivals. With the rear seat in use, there's only 12 cubic feet of cargo space, and folding the third row down doesn't result in a flat load floor. 2023 Toyota Sequoia Capstone. The old Sequoia's dated touchscreen setup has been swapped out for the large 14.0-inch touchscreen found in the Tundra. This screen comes standard on all but the base SR5 and will use Toyota's latest infotainment software, which offers all manner of smartphone mirroring and other connectivity options, including a Wi-Fi hotspot and various music streaming options. All of the Sequoia's available driver assistance features come standard across the board. For more information about the Sequoia's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. The Sequoia comes standard with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain that's optional in the Tundra pickup. This powertrain is comprised of a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine and an electric motor that produce a total of 437 HP and 583 pound-feet of torque. The new Sequoia's hybrid setup makes it significantly more efficient than the outgoing model. Rear-wheel drive models are EPA rated at 21 mpg city, 24 mpg highway, and 22 mpg combined. Opting for four-wheel drive drops those numbers a bit, to 19 mpg city, 22 mpg highway, and 20 mpg combined. When we get our hands on the Sequoia, we'll run it on our real-world 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test. The 2023 Toyota Sequoia's pricing can stretch from about $60,000 all the way up to almost $80,000. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more details. Thanks for watching.